Nothing says architectural quality more than a clean, linear installation of LED tape permanently mounted in sleek aluminum channels, specially suited by width, depth, and length for your application. And nobody does a better job with aluminum mounting channels than GM Lighting. When we first introduced LED tape, we looked at the adhesive backing to be the primary way of affixing the tape to a surface. As convenient as this was, it offered no real protection of the tape. We soon realized that a truly professional mounting required a vessel or channel that holds the tape securely while enabling the LED tape to perform at its optimum level. Also, with the huge variety of LED tape that we brought to market, these professional mounting channels had to fit. From the widest outdoor 120-volt tape to our thin and flexible LTR series tape, we enabled a professional mounting no matter what tape was specified. Our mounting channels soon became as popular as the LED tape that they held secure. From 4-foot or 8-foot runs to channels that fit into corners, into coves, to bendable channels that followed curved surfaces, to deep set, walkover, mud in, and channels that hold our vibrant and colorful RGBW tape, we had it in stock and ready to ship. Now, we've extended the line once again. Our new Mini Deep and Mini Deep flanged format aluminum mounting channels are available in white and black, adding to the variety and utility of your professional LED tape application. Our new LED CHL XD MD channels enable a deep set mounting and are available in 48-inch and 96-inch lengths. Like all of our other channels, we provide a frosted lens that runs the length of the channel and provides a diode-free light source for your linear application. For dry location and able to accept many of our 12-volt and 24-volt tape, these new channels come with a 5-year warranty. So, next time you're planning your LED tape installation, make sure that installation includes a GM Lighting aluminum mounting channel. You'll find a channel that meets and exceeds any challenge. Thanks for watching.